This year in speech class we have talked about three different types of environmental speeches. I have done two of my environmental speeches on natural resources and global warming. Today I'm going to recap those two topics for you and then tell you how they are similar. So natural resources. 94% of the offshore gas and oil, it is off limits to American people. That is a big amount of oil and gas that we cannot use. This also means that people from the East Coast to the West Coast pay anywhere from 65 cents to 35 cents in taxes per gallon of gas. This also means that for natural resources by 2050, year 2050, that means that those four natural resources are going to be the only four natural resources that are still going to be able to be mined and used. Those natural resources are coal, gas, uranium, and rare earth metals. In my opinion, we need to be limiting these natural resources, and the United States needs to be limiting the natural resources, because if we do not, then the technological advances that we are trying to get to are no longer going to be able to be met, as computers, phones, Apple Watches, and all that other stuff. The next topic is global warming. With global warming, that puts stress on plants, animals, and humans. When stress gets put on plants and animals, such as corn, the soil gets infertile and there could be some dead plants, or such as corn, bugs could get in the corn and could eat the corn, so it's no longer good corn. For animals or humans, we could have heart problems that could cause a heart attack. Next is drinking water. With drinking water, rivers and lakes are in scarcity. With that, it causes dryness, it dries up and droughts. That means that we cannot stay healthy and we cannot stay hydrated and healthy that way. Global warming is mostly caused by the rising of CO2 levels caused with the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a huge thing that everybody uses mostly when it is in a greenhouse, when you plant plants in that. So the final thing I'm going to talk about is the common factors. With the common factors, there's mostly one common factor that combines all of the environmental issues in the United States and all over the world. That is, if we do not change now, we are going to have to change later when we do not have the resources to make those nice changes. So in conclusion, the environment is a huge part of the United States and our natural lives in every day. So we will not have the uses that we have today in the future if we do not change. The views outside is one example, and the technology advances that we have now or in the future is another example. Margaret Mead said this: "We won't have a society if we destroy the environment today.